What is popping? Your girl is back with another video, and today we're going to be doing a video on this unit here that I am wearing. This is a unit from Eunice Hair, and I have been wearing this for a month now. And this is 26 inches. It's pretty long. This probably hits like goes a little bit past my butt. I'm like 5'2", so that kind of tells you how long this hair really is. They have really good customer service, I will say that. So if you are looking for some affordable hair, then this is the hair for you. But I will say that I am really rough with my hair, so like I've wore this in the pool, I've wore it in the lake, I've slept in this hair, and basically just anything. So I would, if you're like me where you're probably a little bit rough, I would probably recommend a different straight hair. But if you are trying to save and just get you some nice hair, it's pretty long, then I would definitely go with this Eunice unit. I will link it down below, exactly the link what I got. And Eunice does usually have lots of discounts that you are able to use once you get the hair. The hair comes pretty fast. I did order directly from the site, but you are able to order through like Amazon or other third-party websites if that's what you prefer. But I know Eunice is pretty quick and their customer service is really good. I haven't had any problems with them yet as far as that. I would just say, like, if you guys can tell, this hair is pretty frizzy. I don't have any recommendations for frizz or anything like that, but I would say that is one thing that's pretty frizzy. I don't know if that has anything to do with the weather or the heat, because it is pretty humid right now since we are in the summertime. I'll probably try this out again in the winter just to see if it's still doing the same thing. It's not really matted or anything, and like I said, I sleep in this, swim in this, and she's still holding on. I did bleach the knots and pluck this hair. I'm not really a good bleacher or plucker, but it still looks decent, you know. And this part is super deep. I believe this is a 13x6. So it goes all the way down deep in the middle. Like, you're also able to do a deep side part if that's what you need. And this is 150% density. I believe that may cover everything. If not, you can just drop some comments down below and I can answer any questions that you might have. And thank you for watching this video.